Yoycol's another great new feature has been updated, and this video is gonna walk you through every step on using our lifestyle mockup. This feature is only limited to partial products currently. Now let's pick a product and go check it out. So, there's a newly added block, Mockup Editor, down the bottom right. Click on Edit, and step 1, Add Background. We offer 3 options: Add Background Color, Scene Library, more variable background pictures will be updated. Or you can choose to upload your own background picture, so you are able to edit it over the left section. And this button allows you to edit the product image and the background image separately. You can drag, resize, rotate, and flip for the best result. As you probably noticed, there are 2 different signs down the bottom left. This orange warning icon shows that your background image was not fully covered, so that there will be blank space left. You'll want to make sure it turns to this green tick icon. Step 2. Add filter if needed. So you can add filters both on the product image and the background. Again, by pressing on this button. By clicking Advanced, you are able to adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and the color. If you're thinking applying one of your lifestyle mockup to the other pictures, you can simply do so by clicking on Apply To. And step 3, save your mockup, and done!